If somebody asks, like, what is the progress in autism research today? How do you go about answering that question? We are a visual neurophysiology lab at its core. We know a fair bit about how we could potentially discriminate emotions when we're looking at faces. There has been decades of work showing how in autistic adults, the facial emotion discrimination is slightly different than neurotypical. And then we started working on it and trying to ask, how does our research really help clinical autism research? The way in which knowledge is sort of consolidated is problematic in neuroscience. Artificial intelligence and the way things have progressed has sort of shown us a way of how to benchmark things and put everything in one particular place. For our lab, we are saying that, look, we have a vision lab and things are very concrete in the small domain that we live in. So at least for those problems where we know that autistic individuals show some differences, we should be able to get some sort of common grounding in our understanding. These are all sort of proof of principle kind of experiments. How do you actually make something that is useful? The Israeli Foundation and the Brain Canada Foundations really helped to start in this journey of doing this experiment. The funding really has enabled trainees to be part of our lab. By being part of our lab, we have been able to secure other fundings, and so it has overall helped the research program grow. My message to the autistic community is that our lab and many labs don't see autistic behavior as an anomaly or something to be fixed. What we are striving hard in our lab is to figure out how to change the environment so that we can better nourish and really sort of get the best out of these beautiful minds.